大家好，有閒情相聚嘅時候 ，Welcome to my chit chat time。今次分享嘅影片就係同金碧酒樓好有緣分嘅，我哋再聚金碧，美味唔使講啦，仲加埋好濃嘅人情味添。Again, this restaurant is a very classic Chinese traditional restaurant and has been maintained really well at Choi Hong Estate。菜式方面呢，有杏汁豬肺湯、錦鹵雲吞、葱爆魚標、生炒骨、魚腸蒸蛋、小炒黃同埋麗湖香酥鴨喎。甜品當然唔少得馬拉糕啦。There are a variety of dishes like almond pork lung soup, classic wonton, stir-fried fish stomach, sweet and sour pork, steamed egg with fish intestine, stir-fried seafood with veggie, taro duck, and also dessert, a traditional one, which is a very nice cake. 傳統嘅馬拉糕仲可以做生日蛋糕咁樣嚟慶祝添。你睇佢一嚿仔已經有成隻手咁大㗎，好好食啊，而且唔甜，仲好鬆軟添。The very classic steamed cake can use as a birthday cake too, very grand and yummy。如果你鍾意呢條片，記得分享、訂閱、俾意見同埋俾個 like。Remember to subscribe, share, give me a like and comment. Bye now. Be happy and healthy.